Samsung, the South Korean tech giant, recently unveiled its Galaxy Tab S9 series of tablets, positioning them as the flagship offerings in its tablet lineup. However, the company is now shifting its focus towards catering to budget-conscious consumers, with the impending launch of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. This new tablet, a part of the Galaxy A series, is expected to provide a cost-effective alternative without compromising on essential features. The anticipation surrounding the Galaxy Tab A9 has been fueled by its recent appearance on the Bureau of Indian Standards certification website, signaling an imminent release in the Indian market. Now, adding to the excitement, details about the tablet's key hardware specifications have emerged. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 is its choice of processor. According to the latest reports, the tablet will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. This chipset represents a significant upgrade over the MediaTek MT8768, which currently drives the Galaxy A7 tablet. The Helio G99 is built using a cutting-edge 6nm manufacturing process by TSMC. Samsung claims that this chipset will deliver exceptional performance across various use cases. The Helio G99 features a configuration that includes two powerful Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and six energy-efficient Cortex-A55 cores, operating at 2.0 GHz. These cores work in harmony with the Mali G57MC2 GPU, promising excellent graphics performance and energy efficiency. This combination of hardware should make the Galaxy Tab A9 a capable device for a wide range of tasks, from everyday productivity to casual gaming. The BIS certification listing reveals that the Galaxy Tab A9, identified by the model number SMX115, will come equipped with essential connectivity options, including 5G support for high-speed data, Wi-Fi for wireless internet access, Bluetooth for peripheral connectivity, GPS for location-based services, and FM radio for entertainment on the go. Battery life is a crucial factor for any tablet, and the Galaxy Tab A9 doesn't disappoint in this aspect. It packs a sizable 5100 mAh battery, promising long-lasting usage on a single charge. Additionally, the tablet supports 15 watts fast charging, ensuring that you can quickly replenish its battery when needed. With its impressive specifications and budget-friendly positioning, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 is poised to be a strong contender in the budget tablet segment. Samsung's decision to employ the Helio G99 chipset indicates a commitment to delivering a smooth and responsive user experience without compromising on affordability. As the tablet's official launch date draws near, consumers eagerly await the opportunity to experience this new addition to Samsung's tablet portfolio. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a good day and God bless you.